If you have baking soda at home, pay attention. Many people are unaware of these hacks. 1. Add salt to dish soap and pour in baking soda. Put it in a bowl, add water, and stir until uniform. Use the solution to clean your range hood, and you won't need to replace it for 50 years. 2. When your sink is clogged, pour dish soap and baking soda into it, followed by white vinegar. It will dissolve the blockage instantly. 3. Add white vinegar and floral water to baking soda and pour it down the drain to eliminate any odors. 4. Spray a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda onto the grout lines of your tiles to remove all stains. 5. Your vegetable basket can get especially dirty over time and be hard to clean. Put the basket in water, add dish soap, baking soda, and white vinegar and let it soak for half an hour. Scrub it with a scrubbing pad, and it will look brand new afterward. 6. When your stove gets dirty, sprinkle a layer of baking soda on it, add some white vinegar, and cover with a paper towel for 600 seconds. Remove the paper towel, sprinkle some salt, and wipe with a cloth. It will be clean and shiny, good as new. Follow me for more life hacks.